This video explains how to access and review the audit log to track user action history in Blaze. Access the audit log by clicking the corresponding option. This will automatically sort the section by the last 24 hours, but you can adjust this as needed. Select the checkmark. You can also sort it by the type of action taken. Sort the options by the user as well. You can also sort by the devices. Click on the event to access it. On the right-hand side, you'll see more information. You'll see the time of access, the user who accessed it, a description of what they accessed in the time frame, as well as their IP address and how they accessed it. You can also play the exact thing that they accessed by clicking the play option.